Hey everybody, this is just a real quick video to go over the basics of how to use a mini electric chainsaw effectively and safely and how to do the things we want to do with it. So first things first, when you're going to use one of these, you're going to want to use gloves and you're going to want to use eye protection. This particular D-hand, when you order it, it comes with both of those things, which is pretty nice. But anyways, so what we're going to do is first I'm just going to show you the very basics. It's a battery powered, so we're going to start by installing a battery. All right, so all we need to do is install the battery is find these grooves here, come over here, and then we're just going to slide this bad boy in. Change the other one. The other one's charged up. So we're just going to put it in here all the way until it clicks. All right, so now that that's in there, if you'll notice here that if I pull the trigger, nothing happens. Now the reason that is like that is because this has a safety mechanism. So for the safety mechanism, you have to push this button down to release it, and then the chainsaw will work. All right, so what some other things you might want to do with this is you might need to, this actually has the battery indicator, but anyways, so the other things you're going to need to do is tighten the chain, loosen the chain, lubricate the chain, all that kind of stuff. So first things first, you got to pop out this battery. You just need to hit this release. These are kind of sticky batteries, so you got to kind of muscle it a little bit, but they'll pop out. Now, before we do any kind of maintenance, we want to take that battery out because we don't want to end up sawing our hand. So a couple things that you're going to want to do is this needs to have oil. Even though it's electric, the bar and the chain need oil so they can spin properly. This particular model actually has a clear top so that you can look in and make sure it has oil. But we're just going to add bar oil that you can get from any kind of hardware store or anything like that. The other thing we want to do is, see, this chain here is too loose. We want to make sure that these grooves, these teeth, can fit in the grooves on this bar. We want there to be some looseness because they can't be too tight, but these are too far. The grooves are actually coming out and this chain could actually pop off. So the way we're going to tighten that is we're just going to loosen up this cover here. And then once this cover is loosened, we're going to come around here and we're going to find this tightening screw right here. And with this tightening screw right here, we're going to take a Phillips screwdriver and we're just going to turn this a couple turns until we get the tightness that we want. And then we're going to come back around here and tighten the cover back down. And you should be seeing here now that there's still play, but not as much. The last thing you might want to do on this is actually replace the chain and bar. This one actually comes with a two replacement chains and one replacement bar. And if you want, you can just click this video here. I show you how to do that.